US President Donald Trump claimed Wednesday that a series of incidents during his appearance at the United Nations were part of a deliberate attempt to sabotage him. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said the first incident occurred when an escalator leading to the main speaking floor abruptly stopped, which could have caused possible injury. Trump alleged that this was an act of sabotage, referencing a supposed report in the London Times where UN workers allegedly joked about turning off an escalator. The second incident involved a malfunctioning teleprompter during his speech and the sound system in the auditorium being turned off, according to the president. Trump said the Secret Service was looking into the matter, describing the incidents as sabotage at the United Nations. UN officials have said the escalator's built-in safety mechanism had been triggered and that the teleprompter was operated by the White House, not the organization. UN officials did not immediately respond to a request for a comment on Trump's call for an investigation. UN's spokesperson Stephanie Dujarric has said that a readout of the escalator's central processing unit indicated it had stopped after a built-in safety mechanism on the comm step was triggered at the top of the escalator. Dujarric said Trump's videographer had been traveling backward up the escalator to capture his arrival with the First Lady. The videographer may have inadvertently triggered the safety function, he said. A UN official told Reuters on Tuesday that the White House had operated its own teleprompter.